Why my arm was finished that sweets up here and misses several worm a crawl. Come look for yourself. Me never want to tell you until me turn on the camera. What them there?
What's the worm there?
What that? You know see the worm that's a crawl? Look, what is a crawl?
Oh shoot, babe. Well, I forgot to deworm you. I forgot to deworm you. Boom. Man. Hush. It just get funny.
Wow, what a nice way to start the vlog. But yeah, me just eat some worm.
I forgot to deworm you.
Whoa.
No jokes.
But you see, if you know sweets up, you know so like in it white. So the little teeny white worms. So look good at me say no, me ain't not fool me. Me know me see something I move. Several. We are on the road. And I don't know what we are gonna do, but me just gonna take on throughout the day with me. I try to be productive as possible. My vibes they broke what they are, but me start feel better and stuff like that. I get one new memory card, so I'm gonna change out the memory card in my camera and put in this, cause as me say, I want to go back. I don't know the, I don't remember the Andra back then. Vlogs, videos, consistency. Me need to go back there, and by doing that, me need more space, cause me promise, me gonna be consistent, cause I know I can do it.
That's on the camera for me and see what me say what my head want to do. Jesus Christ.
Babe, me soon there here.
Hi people.
Sometimes you're right.
Thank you so much,
Yes,
Dad.
you want to see me car?
Yes man.
Then gonna let me know them gonna look my car. Jason carry ice cream and cake for me from last week Friday. I'm here to tell you say the cake still in the fridge. I only eat 1 spoon of the ice cream. The ice cream still in the fridge. Tastes really good, but self-control. May I cut out certain stuff, and trust me, Jason gonna end up eating back. I know Jason. Jason love ice cream. And really and truly nothing wrong if me eat it back, because Jason is on the journey with me depend. This journey is personal. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hi. What? For ears feel better. Yours are Jason. Aww. Why?
Hey, come, then can't break.
What?
So they want to break. Watch ya.
I'm afraid.
Hey! Throw your drink.
Really?
See man, me in a black shirt, but look, me a human, look. Me a human. See me if I turn sideways. That's why I black.
So guys, when I always ask for the dads, and I never show him. See the comments them now. Yeah. So, are you ready for the reveal? So that's Dad's.
And this is Jason.
Watch Dad's a pose. I don't want picture.
Hey, oh, this is you.
I show you free.
Okay, this is
So guys, so Dad's there. I don't know Jason.
Yes.
Yeah, so everybody always asks me to Dad's.
But I feel like I'm in
Guys, because Dad's fresh and young. And if we're not worried about how much, he is
63.
You are telling me age for you?
Yes, me not care.
fully young.
Fully young.
Fully young.
Dads,
Want to see them, it's nice.
I never did want you to say it to them because I didn't want to tell her happy birthday.
But you don't know when.
I know that.
When. We are big.
What? We could bet.
Come, we are big.
Where you have to lose.
No, what you have to lose?
Where you have to lose. If you tell me a win, if you lose.
Turn to that side there. That's what
you-
I can see.
Yeah.
If you lose, you have to give me the camera.
Ah!
And if me win, me keep
And
the
if
camera.
you win, no, if
No,
you
you get
win,
something.
you have to keep the camera. But if you win, me upgrade the camera.
Alright.
So tell me when I'm
Maybe better win, you know?
You believe in me?
Why you going to lose the camera?
Alright, so make up deal. We have a deal.
Have a deal.
So you have a
So
better
guys,
deal now?
new camera quality coming soon.
So you know.
Jesus have mercy. I tell you.
Once you insert this clip, for you guys to get a better understanding and to answer a few questions that weren't clear in those clips. So in regards to Dad's birthday, right? Him not sharing birthday because him not love excitement and stuff like that, which is understandable. Story time now. So when me did just know that him birthday did already pass, right? So we never thought birthday for that year there. The year they blow off, the rest of the year they blow off, or we gonna the next year now. So me I say, me never hear that start about birthday. So one day me just ask him, I say, Dad, when your birthday? Because I want to know, because I don't want to get him one gift. Dad start laughing and I say, no man, when my birthday come man, you're gonna know. Anyways, one day me I talk to Dad. I was up on the phone for probably 45 minutes. And when me I go hang up, Dad said to me, say, today I'm birthday. And I felt so bad. All I could have said was, happy birthday. And just move on, because what me I gonna do? And mind you, that conversation that we had, it was down in the night. So bear in mind, so Dad tell me, say, I'm birthday when his birthday almost finished. But one thing with me, if me sit down and think about it, I will remember. And I just did remember. And I just say it. But him thinks I'm not knowing it because him not say nothing to me. He's like a father to me. So yeah. So all I will call him Dad.
And that's everything.
I don't lose no bet.
Put it up for sale now.
Yeah.
Put it up for sale.
No, that's never did the deal, Dad. That's never did the
If
deal.
you get a new one, man, just well, you put it up for sale.
One thing though, I love my camera, so it look like you're gonna walk free with that one here. I really love the camera. The quality really nice. What do you think? Really nice.
Everybody
This
has
one taxi I come one day for Lovell.
Nisi poo.
Don't say you take 2 steps, you know.
Nisi poo. Me here say you. I take 2 step no.
Aww.
See there. What is?
Yo, we not do a good job still in a Lucy. Me nah lie. Yeah, Lovell do a good job with Adiana.
You put that by the grass?
Yeah, man, put him on it. Once you see no hands do you move. Walk, nan, walk. Walk.
She probably not like it extra, so she has
Yeah, man, the grass are nice, man.
You know, fully walk with them to walk yet, man, sir.
Good morning, so it's the next day and I'm gonna make some cornmeal porridge for breakfast. And if you guys know, you know me can't make cornmeal porridge good. Few stuff me can't make good, like soup, cornmeal porridge and fried dumpling. So we're gonna try a thing this morning. This is not a tutorial. If you can't make cornmeal porridge either, this is not the video. This is another video. But yeah, we're gonna try a thing. So I don't have everything to put in the porridge, but I have few stuff. Like I have cinnamon extract, I have vanilla, coconut milk, tin milk, sweet milk, condensed milk, and that's about it. But it will work. It will work. So from last night, Jason told me say one porridge. Me could have been for boiling a porridge in the night. So may I make it for breakfast right now. Me did take out my plug out this. Me did take out this because me did say me I go put banana with it, but me not go worry. Cornmeal and banana porridge tastes so good. If you never try it, try it. Mommy, I call me. Yeah. I want to just jump into it right now. So I read the comments the last time when me did telling us that I can't make cornmeal porridge good, and those are stuff that I was already doing, except 1 or 2 little things. So I'm gonna do it like that this time around. So I have the coconut milk and I have the cornmeal, and me I go put the cornmeal in a container. And don't worry guys, I already sieved my cornmeal. Before I put it in the container, I sieve it. Right now I eyeball everything. But the cornmeal nice and fine, and yeah, my type of cornmeal this. Now I'm gonna do too much guys, cornmeal is tricky. And I already have the water boiling, so let me move fast. Now, so I have the cornmeal and I have the coconut milk, so I'm gonna pour it. When I want to see what I do, so I'm just mixing the cornmeal with the coconut milk, so it will be easier when I add it to the boiling water. Guys, me look shine right now. Me don't know if you not see it, but me shine. My foot everywhere shine. Cause I don't know, from what day my skin just feels so dry. So more of an ensure say me moisturize properly. Okay. So I don't have any nutmeg. I think I did have one, but I can't even find the container where I did have it with. So I have a little grater and I have one nutmeg in there. Babe, what's the correct word? Is nutmeg or nutmeg?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg? Okay. So I'm gonna add my spice them to the pot and just spice up the porridge with what I have. As my skin dry from the other day. When my skin dry, I feel like my teeth are edge. So I rather sweat. I rather moisturize my skin and sweat. It don't matter me, but I soon cool down because I'm gonna go under the fan soon. The reason why that happen because we use the AC. Because the house hot. Like capital letter HOT. It's really hot. To the point where I get like some fine bump on my neck in here. So just heat rash. So we use the AC, but really and truly, we're not used to that. We don't used to use AC in a house. We use a fan. But the house here really hot. And the fact said, did I stare upon it and I said, alright, turn it on or don't turn it on. Because if you know, the JPS bill not gonna look good on it. Me can't bother with them. So yeah, that the AC caused my skin to dry up. But right now, we open up the window them in the house and turn on the fan. So I'm sure a cool trick. I don't know if you don't know it, but you can definitely try it. So if you want to feel cool with the fan, you open the door and you put the fan in front of the door, or you open the window and put the fan in front of the window. And it's good. So if I collect the breeze from outside and I blow it through the fan. So that's how we are doing right now. The window them open and the fan turn on because me not turn on by the AC here because and I like me even used to it in the first place. So you see me I sweat? I'm sorry, but me I forgot just sweat. When the porridge a bubble, that me afraid of. Alright, baby? The porridge finish and me serve it with some water crackers. So I'm gonna show you.
Hot. That is it. Maybe I'm going good.
Wow.
What are you doing before?
Let me turn this here because trust me, don't get up. Do not get up. And me alone realized that Jason did I go put him hot over in private area for get up. So I'm gonna have my breakfast now. So I'm gonna put my crackers in my porridge. But I have to wait until my porridge get like, I don't know for me alone, but me live for this. The little top layer, when I make the porridge cool on the top layer, my porridge I forget that. So I'm gonna make, let me see if it's good. Alright, it's good. So you get that layer there already. So I normally just take 3 crackers and just break them up on the top. This is my breakfast.